Specta Mini Incredible Drama. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. I took the Specta Mini up the other day, and now it's a hot day today. And I wanted to go ahead out and take a look at one of my favorite subjects here where we live, our fountain. When I took it up to the fountain, I ran into something that was quite unexpected and produced a lot of drama. Let's go ahead and roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take the Specta Mini up here, and we're going to take a look and see how the fountain looks in 4K 30. So we have 21 satellites, got 57% battery. Let's go ahead and take off here.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Head out. There we go. It's a really nice day. It's before it's getting really hot, so it's very tolerable right now. Again, we're shooting in 4K 30. I'm gonna take a look at the fountain here and see how that looks. Go ahead and we're gonna stop it here. Okay. And let's go ahead and turn it around. Let's back up here. Just pitch the gimbal a little bit. Let's go ahead and lower it here a little bit. Okay, I'm now facing that direction. Okay, closing apps to cool down phone. Okay, this is not cool. Okay, this is absolutely not cool here. All right, let's see what. Couldn't open app. Okay. I'm going to get in the truck here. And see if we can I'm going to get in the truck and turn it on, see if this will cool the phone down. Last I checked, I was at 57% battery. So this was very interesting here. Never had this before on my Samsung Galaxy phone. I did have it on iPad tablet, but I never had it. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can. Not getting a response here from the phone. Let's see. Okay, it's closing the apps. That's good. Couldn't open app. I'm going to try this one more time here. Oh boy. All right. No recently opened apps. Let's try. Couldn't open app, your phone is getting hot. Well, okay, I hit the auto return to home feature because the oh, probably should shut my truck off. Well, thank goodness controllers have this feature available to return to home. I'm completely blind. Okay, here it is. Everything's still good. It's recording. We're overhead here.
Landing.
And we're landing now. Okay, we're gonna land here, okay.
Landing.
Okay, we successfully landed the Specta Mini, but had a little bit of drama there. My Samsung Galaxy S22 apparently overheated, and as it overheated, I lost control of the app, and I went to the truck to see if it would cool down. That wasn't working, so I went ahead and I hit the auto return to home feature on the controller itself, and it worked like a champ. It brought it here without any issues, so that was a successful flight, so to speak. Now, this was the first time that any of my Samsung products have ever overheated on me. My phone overheated on me, and what I did was I went into my truck to see if it would cool down. It wasn't cooling down. I tried to open the app back up, and it wouldn't let me do that. So I hit the auto return to home feature on the controller, and it worked like a champ. Question of the day: what did you think of the Specta Mini drama? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.